Yo, what's going on, party people, Fat Boy family? Listen, it is Fat Boy Friday, but your boy has lost like 10 pounds today. Listen, this is a no edit review. I know we usually do the intro, all of that, but we're going to cut straight to the chase. I've been helping my brother move all day. I just got back in the house. I'm nasty, I'm dirty, I'm sweaty. I need to get in the shower, but I'm like, if I get in the shower, I'm not gonna post this video. I was supposed to record this video. Like I said, I've been moving, didn't get a chance to do it. Nonetheless, shut up. You didn't come here to hear me talk about my day. But we're gonna be talking about Afnan Rare Reef. Afnan Rare Reef. This is a clone, more of a, somewhere between a cover and a remix of LV's Pacific Chill. So we're talking citrus, fruity, little green, little aromatic, fresh, spicy. I've got like 15, really 20 new fragrances in front of me. And so I was trying to figure out what we're going to talk about today. This is definitely the one we're going to talk about today. We're still in summer. And so Pacific Chill, I'm a fan of afternoon swim. You know what I'm saying? Let's just cut to the chase. So Pacific Chill is not something I personally was spending my money on anyway. But I guess a lot of people really want to know, you know what I'm saying? Is it worth spending $35 to $45 depending on where you get this from versus probably, you know, $300 plus for something like Pacific Chill? Now, we've already talked about, I believe we've already talked about Luciano Coastal Breeze, all right, which is also a clone. We also talked about the Starship Trooper or the Gravy Boat, Pinace from French Avenue. I don't know what the heck they were thinking, what was going on with that. Nonetheless, here talking about Rare Reef, and I want to show you the box. This is the presentation. And I apologize, y'all. Some of y'all gonna love the fact I'm jumping straight to it. Some of y'all gonna be like, man, we don't get the wrap today. We gonna get all this. Listen, it's August the 1st. It's the first of the month. Let's talk about fragrance. Ain't no music, it's just me. So this is the box. You know what I'm saying? The box is cool. It's okay. Presentation. If you're familiar with the Afnan Rare line, then you've seen the bottle before. You know what I'm saying? Like you have that style that comes from Rare Carbon. This is the ombre leather, Tom Ford ombre leather clone or whatever. Super strong. Like I can't really wear that. It's super, like as you can see, like all of the juices in it. And y'all already know because I'm not the biggest leather person. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, ooh. But I love we got this nice blue ocean type juice going on here. This bottle from afar, it kind of looks like a grenade or something like that, but it's pretty cool. But that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole bottle style. Let's go ahead. We have the cap. You have the emblem, the Afnan logo right there on the cap. And then you have Afnan on the atomizer itself. Thank you, Sony, for that focus. Let me show you the atomizer. Decent. My mic is going to smell like, you know, it's not going to, I'm getting ready to wash this off. And this is an EDP. No, it's an extrait de parfum. Yeah, so this is an extrait de parfum. Now, I did get one wearing out of this. And so consider this more like a first impression. It's not like I was in a rush, you know what I'm saying, to wear it, you know, like I've been doing with the Risasi Hawaii Tropical because it's like, it's Pacific Chill. But it definitely performs like an extrait de parfum. That is the biggest thing you notice between this and Pacific Chill. Think of Pacific Chill. You know how you go to the family reunion and you got that rich auntie that don't have kids, but she tell everybody how to raise their kids? That's Pacific Chill. You know, just super grand, laid back, always feel like they want to get their nails done. Like it's going to be like every day is a spa day. Rare Reef is the cousin she don't like that's got the kids that people call ghetto, that's loud and outspoken. That's Rare Reef because this is loud. That is the biggest difference. It is super loud. You get this burst. This kind of leans heavily on the orange. That's one of the things that I've noticed as well. So, you know, bright, clean, still like this effervescent style feel. You know, you get that citrus with that aquatic feel, and it has that slight herbal twist. You know, in Pacific Chill, you have the carrot seed, and this you have the apricot. But you just get a nice blast of that freshness and citrus. And like I said, compared to Pacific Chill, this one really leans in to the orange. So going back to the family reunion reference, I wouldn't necessarily say this is a 1-to-1, but they are like cousins that grew up that were like siblings, like best of friends or whatever. Let me smell it one more time. Yeah, super, super loud. Super, super loud. And I think that's one of the things that most people kind of appreciate about this one. So again, this is more of a, like I said, not necessarily review, first impression when I did wear it. Pacific Chill, the longevity on it is not the best. It's better than Afternoon Swim, because Afternoon Swim doesn't last, I feel like, at all. But this one, roughly we're talking about around 6 hours, which is good for this DNA. A lot of your projection is going to be within the first 2 hours, you know, so like I said, you're going to have this high zing. I'm going to try to get to the notes in a second. But you're going to have a lot of, it's going to be like Tyson kind of punched you. Like out the gate, it's going to be like, whoa. Now, so I don't know if it's intentionally like that, if it's going to get dialed back in a couple of weeks, you know what I'm saying, after letting this one sit. Afnan does great with their blends. So usually they don't need, you know, all of that time to continue to mature, macerate, whatever you want to call it, you know, once you actually open the bottle and spray. But maybe that's the intention. Like kind of like how Rare Carbon is, like super, super, super strong. This one is the same way. So I'm going to pull up the notes here. All right. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, on my skin, like I said, it's about 6 hours, but we'll see. I know some of y'all are probably going to report different, but again, fragrance is subjective. I haven't really spent a lot of time with this. I've worn it one time. All right, so in the top, we got orange, blackcurrant, mint, citron, grapefruit, coriander. All right, that's what we got in the top. In the middle, we got the apricot, violet leaf, rose, basil. All right, and then in the base, we got that fig, ambrette, dates, and amberwood. Now, I don't really get a lot of the dates here. Dates is super, super, super sweet. And it does get sweeter and a little darker in the dry down, which is what really makes this good. But I don't get a lot of dates. Dates is pretty sugary, you know what I'm saying? And so that's not something, you know, that I get. But if you're looking for something like the perfect beach day, something that's still clean, something that's still super versatile, something that's still super polished, you know what I'm saying? And it's going to smell great. You're going to get that nice, again, bright, citrus, fruity, aquatic smell that smells like the Pacific Ocean. Then I think definitely, yeah, definitely is worth it to me. And I know there's like Rayhan, like there's like 20 clones out there. Like Rayhan has their clone. We know French Avenue has theirs. Don't buy that. Don't buy the Luciano joint. What is it? Rayhan Pacific Ore. I don't have that yet, but it's on the way. And there's a bunch of them out there. Nonetheless, out of the ones that I've tried so far, this is the best one. So like I said, as far as comparing to Pacific Chill, I think you're going to get more longevity. You're going to get more bang for your buck. If you're looking for a direct clone, this is probably going to be one of the better things out there until we get some of the other ones in to try. Like I said, it's not my favorite DNA because I don't really care about that carrot seed, apricot, you know, fig leaf or whatever type of note. I'm not the biggest person on those things because it's like fruit and green. You know what I'm saying? Like fresh aquatic fruit and green. It's like, it's very green, not like herbaceous, not like fougere type of green, but you get that green style feel. But nonetheless, yeah, I don't think Pacific Chill is worth the money, especially for the performance. And as far as the scent profile DNA, for me, I don't think it's worth it. So I think this is definitely gonna be the better buy. I'll put links down there in the description where I got it from or whatever. But I appreciate you guys, you know what I'm saying, watching. Again, I'm sorry, you know, it's the first of the month. I've been working today, man. It's been that type of day. Helping him move, you know, him and his wife, and at the same time, actually working, like still my job. Crazy work. Nonetheless, I'm grateful. I'm here now. I'm about to shower, eat my food. But hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. While you're at it, go ahead and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I post new content to the channel. And yeah, like y'all subscribe. Like over 50%, a little over 50% of y'all are not subscribed to the channel. I mean, is it because I'm ugly? I can't be that ugly because y'all watch. And the watch time is crazy. So y'all spend a good amount of time watching me. So I appreciate it, man. Just while you're watching, it don't cost nothing, a nanosecond. Hit that subscribe button. Nonetheless, y'all be easy. Have an amazing weekend. I'll holler at y'all tomorrow, I think. Tomorrow. I think I got a video ready to go tomorrow. Nonetheless, I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all be easy. I'm out of here. We'll bring the music back the next time.